Welcome and welcome back to Find Natural Hair Rocks. I'm your girl Lavinia, and today we're about to play with these wonderful products right here. The very first product that I got from the Sephora event that recently just passed is this product right here. So this is the Sol Janeiro, their kind of like body spray line. I just have to give it another spray because it smells so good. But anywho, I really liked this one, and so it was a no-brainer that I wanted to try out the actual caramelized vanilla and macadamia spray. I find that the spray lasts for a really long time. One spritz usually works. If you want a refresher, you can do a refresher. Amazing. Next on the list is this product right here. So this is actually the K18 Biomedic Hair Science system, and so everybody has been talking about this. It's actually pretty big. I wanted to see what the hype was, and you know, with the Sephora discount, why not, right? So it's a leave-in molecular repair hair mask, and essentially you use it as any other regular leave-in conditioner, but this is supposed to actually take your hair from one level to the next in terms of the damage. If you've got fine natural hair strands, you already know that your strands are really fine. They break off more easily. So anything to really repair the structure of the hair, to strengthen the hair a little bit more, is something that you're probably gonna wanna do. Let me know in the comment section down below if you wanna see a review on this before you spend your coin. I spent between $30 to $40 on this, and with the discount, it was even cheaper. So very expensive for 50 milliliters, but nevertheless, I can definitely do the review for you so that you can save your precious coin. So I actually ended up getting one of these for free in one of my other, you know when you purchase from Sephora and they give you like a bunch of different freebies and goodies to try out? Yeah, so I kind of got one of these and I loved it. It was really small. This one's a little bit bigger. It has one makeup eraser. It's approximately 15.5 inches by, I believe, 7.25 inches. When I first saw it, I thought it was a gimmick. Real talks, I was just like, you could just use any cloth or whatever to wipe your makeup off. Like, you don't need a specialized one called makeup eraser. The only reason why I tried it, and I'm glad I did, was because I did get it for free. So I would definitely recommend using this because it really does work like a charm. You don't need extra products or soaps or anything. You literally just use water, dampen it, and then you can wipe off your makeup. Next on the list is Merit Beauty. So I really wanted to try the Merit Beauty blushes. So this one, I got it in terracotta. I really want to be wearing like a little bit more, you know, oranges and, you know, kind of like that bronzy look for the summertime to, you know, have my melanin on fleek. I did get another one as well. So this one is the same thing in Raspberry Beret. I like the way they package this blush because like other blushes, you need to kind of have like maybe a beauty blender, maybe a special brush to go ahead and just apply the product to your face. But with this one, you could literally just pop off the lid on it and then just apply it to your cheeks like so. I'm a busy lawyer. I don't have time to be making a ton of mess and cleaning a ton of mess. And I do like clean environments. That being said, anything that's super easy to apply and put back away, winning in my books. I did go ahead and purchase this facial toner. So I've actually been having a little bit of breakouts lately, and I wonder if it's the stress. I think it's also because I've been eating really badly lately. And so for that reason, I really wanted to do something that would bring my skin back to where it needs to be. This is from Fresh. And this is their Rose Deep Hydration Facial Toner. I was attracted to this product because of the rose petals in it. I don't know if you can see it here on camera, but the rose petals are really pretty. Like, they're all there along the sides and they're just absolutely stunning. If you wanna see any of these products that I've picked up, used on the channel, reviewed on this channel, then let me know and I will be sure to make that video for you. The next thing that I purchased was also another beauty blender. So this one is the Beauty Blender Besties kit. And so this comes with the beauty blender. It comes with a cleaning solution as well as like a little cleaning mat. The next thing I got is another a Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I like the scent of it so much that I just wanted to go ahead and try out the actual Bum Bum Cream too. For me, it's a fantastic scent. It jives with my personality. It feels very much like me. It's a scent that I'm gonna continue keeping in my collection. I went ahead and purchased some brushes because if you're anything like me, you really like to achieve really beautiful, different makeup looks. So the reason why I purchased this brush is because whenever you're applying makeup and you want to get into like the creases of the eye, maybe you want to blend out something that is like a very fine detail, or even if you wanted to apply makeup to like the bottom corner of your eye, any of those kinds of areas, then this kind of a brush is really going to help you do so. This is the 216 Makeup Forever brush, and I'm excited to use it to see what it can help me achieve in terms of different, more detailed type of eye looks. Now, the next brush that I purchased was this kind of like steeple looking brush. And this is actually the 116 Wave brush. So for this, I wanted to be able to have something that could apply like different foundations to the skin. Maybe if I wanted to do like a contour over on the cheekbone, or maybe like a temple contour, then this is really gonna help to do that. So that's the reason why I purchased the 116 brush. The next brush that I purchased, I did go ahead and purchase another 242 brush. Is this the 242? Yes, another 242 brush. I love the way the 242 brush blends out shadows. And so if you're using a really good palette, a really good eyeshadow palette, this is really fantastic to kind of blend those looks, those shadows in a way that's gonna be seamless and gonna be really, really gorgeous. I actually used this 242 brush, the one that I already have, on the look that I'm wearing today, and perfection. I absolutely love it. Next, in terms of brushes, I did go ahead and purchase this 226 brush. So this is just a regular flat eyeshadow brush, and I already have a flat eyeshadow brush, but again, I did want a more high quality flat eyeshadow brush that would be able to really help pack on pigments. If you are working with different colors, you wanna be able to switch from different colors into different palettes without muddying up the colors if you're really looking for a specific look. So that's it for brushes. I did go ahead and purchase the matching face cream. I do like to keep my skin looking as blemish free as possible. So I'm really excited to see how this works out for me. The last thing that I got was a little on the go kind of kit. So this is actually the tweezer man. I did take mine out. So if you've got some hairs in places that you don't necessarily want them to be, I want to remove that. I go ahead and use this little baby right here. And as you can see, there's about 3 different ones. So you get like a tweezer, you get 3 different tweezers actually, and they have different heads to them. So that's really nice to just pop into my purse and to keep it going. So that's all I got this time around. I really enjoyed the Sephora haul event for the spring. I hope you enjoyed it too. Let me know what you got from the sale. Let me know. I'll leave a link to everything that I mentioned in the description box so that you can go ahead and shop it if you want. Sephora has sales all the time. So it's not about, the sale event happened and now it's gone and the deals are done. Not necessarily, because Sephora always has a little area on their website that shows off the sales that they've got going on. Thank you so much for watching this video, girlfriend. If you like this video, maybe you discovered a new product, maybe there's something that you didn't know about and I put you on to, go ahead and give this video a huge like, share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.